Hi everyone, welcome to your 10 minutes of stretching. My name is Marissa and I'm happy for you guys to be joining me on these full 10 minutes that are given back to your body to hopefully help alleviate long terms of sitting, maybe pain or tension, or just the need for a mood change, which a nice 10 minutes of movement can do for you. So thank you for joining me here on your mat. And remember, you don't always have to be on your mat. You're more than welcome to be anywhere in your home or workplace, moving around where you feel most comfortable. We're going to get started today seated, so go ahead and have a seat with me. Maybe you're sitting on your butt, or if you have a yoga block, you're welcome to sit on one of these or a large cushion. From here, I just want you to start to shift your body from the left to the right. So these are very simple seated lateral stretches. And by simple, I just mean the movement isn't too creative or doesn't have too many forms of do this and that. It's just a simple left to right, a really nice way to stretch out the body and to feel good. Good, moving from side to side. Nice creative space for the body. Good. And then on your next breath, I want you to inhale, raise both arms all the way up to the sky, full stretch. Good. Exhale your hands to your kneecaps. Start drawing circles with your belly, 3 in one direction. 1, 2, one more for 3. And then we're going to go 3 in the opposing direction. Ready? 3. Good. 2. These are called nice circular motions for the spine. And 1. Go ahead and transition with me to your hands and knees, known as tabletop position. And I just want you to gently widen the fingers, put some good weight into the fingertip pads, wrist, and then inhale, roll the gaze forward, stick out your bum, and really lift your heart up. Good. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, create space in your upper back. Good. Repeat. Inhale, cow, gaze up. Your toes can be tucked or untucked. Exhale, cat, roll the spine. Good. Gently walk the hands out. I'm going to move my blocks forward some. And you're going to push your hips all the way back to a gentle child's pose. So feel the forehead meet the mat. Arms are extended. Low back is soft. Just breathe in slowly. And breathe out. Good. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out. From here, you're going to gently make your way forward back to your tabletop. I want you to tuck your toes. We're going to go to our first downward facing dog. Raise your butt up. Walk your hands all the way back to your feet right away so you're in a standing forward fold. You're going to bend your knees. You're going to reach for opposite elbows, and you're going to hang your chest heavy over your thighs as you take that nice deep stretch in your legs. And we're going to straighten the right leg. And then we're going to straighten the left leg. Just a little bit of movement here from side to side. Good. And then release your hands down. They may or may not touch the ground, depending on your tightness. And then slowly roll up the body. So real gently. Good. Exhale as you get to the top. Nice work. Go ahead and face forward if you wish, or stay wherever you are on your mat. I'm just going to turn towards you. And I want you to go ahead and sweep your arms up and open. Notice my feet are wide. Good. Exhale, sweep your arms down by your sides. Repeat. Inhale, sweep your arms up. And then exhale, sweep your arms down. From here, we're going to narrow the stance. So bring the feet closer together. Glide one hand down your leg. Nice side stretch here. Open it up. Good. And then gently rise through center. Side stretch to the other side. Hips move, create space. 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. From here, I want you to go ahead and raise one leg off the ground. Doesn't matter which leg. Try to find this nice standing balance. Good. And then see if you can drag your heel to your butt. Push up from the heel as you lift your chest forward. Good. Repeat. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, heel to glute, push back, stand tall, and release. Second side for some balance. You can always hold on to a wall if it's nearby. Raise your knee up, hold strong. Exhale, glute, heel to glute, kick it back. Good. Inhale, foot lifts up, knee lifts up, foot's in what we call dorsal flexion. Exhale, kick the glute, push back. Good. Release your feet. Go ahead and come high onto the balls of the feet 3 times. Drop the heels. Just a few calf raises here as you feel the warming in the bottoms of the feet. Go ahead and separate your legs nice and wide this round. Good. Exhale, place your hands on one leg, deep stretch. Second leg, deep stretch. Good. Back to the first side. And then back to the second side. From here, you're going to inhale, sweep your arms all the way up, so legs are wide, arms are reaching. Exhale as you gather your hands to your heart, soft bend your knees, bow down. Root down through the bottom right palm, raise your left arm up to the sky, open a twist, stretch and breathe, 3. Good, turn your gaze up to the sky, 2. Exhale, release your hand down on 1, and then inhale, second side. Reach up, open up, deep stretch, 3. Good, 2. And then folding forward on 1. Exhale, let your head hang heavy for the first time here. And if you can't touch the earth, that's okay. Maybe you're holding on to your shins. Just try to bow down over your legs, creating some nice space. From here, we're going to pivot to the right foot. So I want you to gently frame the right foot. So you'll spin to the ball of the back left foot, lower the left knee down ever so slowly here. And then I want you to gently pull your chest forward. Good. Now pick up your back knee when you're ready. Straighten the right leg. Hold, 3, 2, and 1. Bending the knee forward. We're going to pivot through center. Same thing on the other side with me. So pivot, pivot, pivot. Bend your left knee. Lower the right knee so it touches the earth. Pull the chest forward. Good. Hold here. Deep stretch. And then exhale. Pull the hips back, folding forward over the shin, finding a nice stretch there as well. Good. Rebend your knee ever so slowly. Pivot back to center where we started for me. Repeating your twist, right hand down, raise your left arm to the sky, open up. Good, left hand down, raise your right arm to the sky, open it up. Exhale, both hands down, take a nice deep forward fold, and then bend your knees for me. Slowly rise to stand, inch by inch, bone by bone. Good. Bring your feet back to neutral. Inhale, we're going to sweep our arms up, so I'm going to turn and face forward. Long spine. Good. Exhale, bow forward, hands to toes. Halfway lift the spine, gaze forward. Exhale, fold. Make your way back into that tabletop, hands and knees that we worked on in the beginning. Good. Repeat cow and cat. See how it feels now. Inhale, cow pose. Good. Exhale, cat pose. Round your spine. Tuck your chin in here. Inhale, cow. Open up your chest. Exhale, cat and round. Pressing back to that yummy child's pose, walking the hands forward, bringing the head down, stretching out through the back. Take 3 breaths for me. Good. 2. Try to breathe in and out slowly through the nose for 1. Beautiful. And then glide yourself all the way up. We're going to raise the right arm all the way to the sky. Make a fist and draw 3 circles in one direction, 3 circles in the other direction. Good job. Release your fingers. Exhale, switch sides. Final stretch here, left side. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, make your fists, draw your circles. 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. Fingertips lift. Exhale, release. Have a seat on your bottom wherever you started. If you prefer to stand up, that's okay too. Just sit or stand with me for another few breaths as we close this short and quick 10 minutes of movement together. We'll bring our hands to heart center. I invite you to close your eyes with me. Acknowledge how your body feels after a little bit of movement. Hopefully there's more clarity in your mind and in your thoughts, a little more openness in your heart, literally stretching and opening the front of our bodies, but also diving deeper into your emotions. Have a beautiful rest of whatever's ahead, and as we bow forward together, namaste, and thank you again for moving with me for the last 10 minutes.